Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm a language trainer. In today's video we're talking about appointments. How can you arrange and reschedule an appointment or respond to a request for an appointment in good English? Buckle up and let's go. First of all, I'd like to make sure that you don't confuse the words appointment and date. An appointment is an arrangement to meet someone on a business or medical matter. A date is a romantic meeting.
We should go on a date.
Okay.
Please don't confuse these words. Today's video has 4 main parts: short and informal, how to make urgent and informal appointments, ask for a meeting, how can you schedule a meeting, change an appointment, what to say if you need to change it, and finally, to respond. How can you respond to a request? If you need to talk to someone quickly on an urgent matter, make it clear that this won't take long. Here you don't really need to schedule an appointment. Use the phrases like these. Have you got a moment, Arne? Can I talk to you for a second? Or, can I have a word, Arne? I'd like a quick word with you, if you don't mind. If someone wants to have a word with you, this often means that they need to talk about something unpleasant. For example, to criticize something or someone. Can I have a word with you? Uh-oh.
Polly, can I have a word with you?
So let's repeat the phrases once again. Have you got a moment, Arne? Can I talk to you for a second? Can I have a word, Arne? I'd like a quick word with you, if you don't mind. Now, practice saying these phrases. It's your turn. Part 2. If you want to schedule a more formal meeting, then you can start by asking about the other person's availability. For this, you can use the following phrases. Are you free on Thursday? Would you be free for a couple of hours tomorrow? Or you can suggest a certain date, a time, and a place. Would the 11th suit you? Shall we say Wednesday morning at 9 o'clock in your office? If you want to sound a little bit more formal, you can say, would next Thursday be convenient for you? Would you be available on the 11th? Now let's repeat the phrases. Are you free on Thursday? Would you be free for a couple of hours tomorrow? Would the 11th suit you? Shall we say Wednesday morning at 9 o'clock in your office? Would next Thursday be convenient for you? Would you be available on the 11th? And now you.
Are you free Thursday night?
Yeah, she's free Thursday.
Part 3. If you need to change an appointment, you can start with the phrase I'm afraid or unfortunately. This signals that you're sorry to cause any inconvenience. I'm afraid something's come up. I can't make it on Thursday after all. Or you can say, unfortunately, I won't be available to attend the presentation. If possible, you should make an alternative suggestion right away to show that you're still interested. For example, I was wondering if we could meet another day. Or would it be possible to reschedule our meeting or our appointment? To reschedule an appointment means to find another day and time for it. You can schedule as well as reschedule an appointment, a meeting, a telephone call, a telephone conference. Time to repeat the phrases. Repeat after me. I'm afraid something's come up. I can't make it on Thursday after all. Unfortunately, I won't be able to attend the presentation. I was wondering if we could meet another day. Would it be possible to reschedule our meeting, our appointment? And now it's your turn. Part 4. Well, it depends on whether you want to accept or reject it. If you accept it, you say yes. If you reject it, you say no. Saying yes is easiest. Thursday at 10 sounds great. See you then. Or sure, Friday's fine. Shall we say 10:30? Or that suits me perfectly. See you then. Saying no requires a more indirect approach. There I'd recommend that you use softeners, such as I'm afraid and unfortunately, or actually. For example, I'm afraid I'm tied up all day. And again, make an alternative suggestion. Actually, the following week would be better for me. If you're tied up, it means that you're busy. Other ways of saying that you're busy can be I'm on a tight schedule, my schedule is full, or in British English you can say I'm snowed under. I'm snowed under, under the snow. The snow is your job, your work here. In American English you say I'm buried with work. If you can't give a definite answer yet, you can say I'll just need to check my diary or my calendar first. A diary, or in American English it's a calendar, is a notebook where you write down your appointments. Another helpful phrase, I'll pencil in Monday and let you know definitely by tomorrow. To pencil in means that you put the appointment down for now, but you're not sure yet and therefore it's not fixed. Now let's repeat the phrases. I'll just need to check my diary, calendar first. I'll pencil in Monday and let you know definitely by tomorrow. Actually, I would like to schedule an appointment with my friend Danielle, and I would like to call her now and ask when she has time. Okay, let's do it together.
Hello.
Hello, this is Karina.
Can you hear me okay?
Hi, Danielle. How is it
Hi.
going?
It's good. How are you?
I'm fine, just sitting home, doing nothing. And you?
I am on the road on my way to Hamburg.
Why are you going to Hamburg?
Well, I'm just going to see some sites there. I've never been.
Oh, I've never been to Hamburg. That's a great
Yeah.
place to visit.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Listen, I was wondering if you have time next Wednesday.
To go out to dinner or to do what?
Yeah, right. So to catch up and have dinner together. So Wednesday night.
I'm not sure if I'm available on Wednesday for dinner.
All right.
Would you be available on Thursday?
Yeah, what time?
Maybe Thursday around 7 p.m.?
Great, that sounds perfect. Yeah, that suits me perfectly. So let's
Awesome.
say Thursday at 7 at Luigi's.
Awesome. That sounds great.
Okay, see you then.
See you then.
And have a
Bye.
nice trip.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. That's how you can make an appointment. It's really easy to do it with friends. Okay guys, we're done for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and you can use the phrases and words you've learned from this video next time you make, reschedule, or respond to an appointment. Let me know in the comments down below which phrase was new to you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss another helpful video coming up next week on Monday. See you in my next one. Bye guys.